I built this firm with the idea that we wanted to provide the very best criminal defense representation to our clients. We wanted to help people when they were going through some of the darkest times of their lives.
Just because you're innocent or not guilty of the offense doesn't mean that the state or the prosecutor is going to agree with you. You still have to fight the case to the fullest extent, and the biggest mistake you can make is trying to handle it without an experienced attorney. When you're accused of a crime, the client ultimately wants the case to be dismissed, or in some situations declined. They want it gone and to not have to deal with it. I have the record of the no bills and the dismissals and have the outcomes that my clients want. I had one case where a niece was accusing her uncle of sexual assault, and looking at the evidence, it was a fabricated claim. We were able to put together what's called a grand jury packet and get the case no-billed, meaning the grand jury found no probable cause, and being able to tell my client that the case was over, that this stigma would no longer carry on with him, and he would be able to be with his own kids, be able to take them to school again, just makes my day. You want to look for someone who has a plan of attack. The plan that the attorney has in attacking a sexual assault case, or any case for that matter, is the most important thing.
We're always looking at it from the standpoint of what's going to happen at the end of the day. Is this a case that's going to go to trial? Is this a case that we think that we can get dismissed? Pleading guilty is always the last option because we ultimately want to find whether or not the state can prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Sierra has the knowledge and the experience to handle these cases from the very outset, and has an exceptional record of convincing prosecutors and grand juries and judges to dismiss.
I've actually done nothing but criminal defense my entire career. I teamed up with Brent because he's board certified. He knows the law better than any attorney I've ever met. He has the trial experience and the know-how to work in a courtroom that is extremely important to be a criminal defense attorney.
When we first started this firm, we brought to it the experience of having been a former prosecutor, and with that there was relationships and an understanding of how police investigations worked and how police investigators handled certain cases and how they interacted with suspects and witnesses. Sierra has been able to gain that experience down here in Victoria and in the surrounding counties, and has earned the respect of local judges and prosecutors and law enforcement officials. She has developed the relationships that are necessary to really benefit the clients. They know that she's not just some lawyer who's just going to be pushed around. They know that she's someone who knows what they're doing and knows that she is someone who is going to fight for her clients.
The biggest mistake anyone can make in their defense is just sitting back and thinking things are going to go away. They won't. The state is not just going to dump a case. It doesn't matter whether or not you did what you're accused of or not, because you have to defend yourself. You have to have someone who's going to advocate on your behalf.
Clients that come to us are getting the benefits of both of us. They're getting the benefits of our entire office staff and an entire support team that we've built around ourselves. It's giving the client the best of both worlds. The personal attention that Sierra is going to provide to the clients, combined with the experience and knowledge that myself and our team brings to our clients' cases.